Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now? Put the Fiesta in accessory mode so sync powers up, then open the car's Bluetooth pairing menu. On your iPhone, go to Settings and enable Bluetooth, keeping that screen visible. This prevents the phone from auto-switching away during discovery. Once both are discoverable, choose Add Device on the Fiesta screen so the head unit scans. You do this first because the car initiates the secure handshake. Getting both sides ready avoids timeouts and wrong device pairing. When the Fiesta shows up on your iPhone, tap it immediately. The vehicle will display a PIN. Confirm the same PIN on both the car screen and the phone. Make sure you permit contacts, favorites, and notifications. That lets the car show caller info and sync call history. If your Fiesta supports Apple CarPlay and you prefer it, plug a certified Lightning cable into the USB port, then accept CarPlay prompts on the iPhone and car. These steps ensure audio, calls, and navigation work through the car. Once paired, run a quick test. Place a call and play music so you verify microphone input, caller ID, and audio routing. Then mark the phone as primary or trusted in sync so it auto-connects on future drives. If the phone fails to connect, delete the Fiesta from iPhone Bluetooth and remove the phone from sync, then retry pairing. As a last resort, reboot both devices or reset iPhone network settings. This clears stubborn profiles and typically fixes pairing conflicts without deeper intervention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.